Hi everyone, touch the leg, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get the best audio for your GoPro 5, 7, 8. Alright, so I have here GoPro 8 as you can see here. So we're gonna set up the best audio to the GoPro. So for that, what we're gonna use is the Ulands GoPro case. So this is what we're going to use it. Let me unboxing it. It comes with some papers. Okay, let's see what's here. Okay, I think these are not used. Da 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 da. Okay, this is the cap, I think. So first we're gonna open this door. We're gonna do that. So before we put in, we have to remove the door. Okay, first we're gonna open the door. We're gonna pull it like this. Once you see the red color, and we're gonna release it. Then push it up. Here's the technique. How we're going to do is, so how we're going to remove the door is, so once it come all the way up, you can see here this much, then just turn this way, turn in, not from here, not from here, all the way up, then turn like that. You see, so this is normal. Okay, you can remove it, you can put it back, so that make the door for open and close it completely. So this is normal, there's nothing wrong with it. You can always remove the door and you can put it back. So that's how they make it for to use these kind of things. All right, so what we're going to do is we're gonna put this one in. We have to open this door first before put in. So now we're gonna put this inside. It has the door that with the hole here. You see, so you can remove the battery from here. You can put it in, no problem. Very nice. So now we're gonna close it. So this is the plastic. You can put in. It's not gonna scratch it. It's not gonna scratch it. Okay, it's very safe. The power is here. You can turn on, turn off, and the lens coming from here. Actually, you can remove it if you want. We need to put here something. So for that you need this one. So you need this one. We're gonna unboxing it. Okay, so what we need is, we need this one. I believe it goes from here. So you need to connect this wire through this hole. Yeah. So if you want to have a good audio, you must have this one. So no equipment, no good audios. Okay, if you want to have good audio, you have to have this one. but it's good, you know. GoPro 8, 9 is very good audio, even though you don't use it, but I'm highly recommend you use this one. All right, so we're going to use these two. So this one comes with this mount and a wire, and this comes with this close, and the mic is right here. So this is the best mic. You can use it with this close if you want it. If you want to remove it, it's good too. So we're gonna put the mic in. So this is the best mic, the root. Then we're gonna put it on the top. You see, so this case, it comes with this mount that you can put the mic on the top, or lights if you want. Then we're gonna try it. Now you can see it. All right, so what we're gonna do next step is, so we're gonna plug in this wire. I believe this is 3 millimeters. Supposed to be the same. There you go. Then you can, this one you can put it here. You see, that is it. So they give you another hole here. This is the USB-C. So this hole you can charge the battery from the power bank if you want. So you can use the wind resistant clothes if you want it. You can put here. So this is how you get the best audio quality to your GoPro. So if you want to use the wind resistant clothes, you can use it. So if you want to working outside, so this is the best one, which is wind resistant clothes. Yeah, so this is how you set up, and this is how you get the best quality to your GoPro 5, 7, 8. So once you have this Rode mic, you can use to the mirrorless camera and DSLR camera, and even though you can use to your phone as well. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how to set up. I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for your watching.